This little box promises to turn your M.2 SATA SSD into a full-blown 3.5-inch drive. But can it really deliver that kind of performance boost? Let's dive in and see if this enclosure socket metal case is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Right out of the box, the build quality feels surprisingly robust. It's a solid metal case, which immediately gives you confidence that your precious M.2 drive is well protected. Installation is pretty straightforward, which is a huge plus. They claim it's easy to install and use, and for the most part, that holds true. You pop your B+M key M.2 SATA SSD into the adapter, secure it, and then slot the whole thing into this 3.5-inch bay. It's designed to connect via SATA 3, so you're looking at speeds up to 6 Gbps, which is exactly what you'd expect from a standard SATA connection. The real question is, does it perform? For everyday tasks, booting up your operating system, or loading applications, you're essentially getting the speed of your M.2 SATA SSD, just presented as a traditional 3.5-inch drive. This is fantastic for older systems that might not have M.2 slots, but could benefit from the speed of an SSD. It's also a neat solution for expanding storage in a desktop where you might have empty 3.5-inch bays. The JBOD, just a bunch of disks, capability is an interesting feature, suggesting it can handle multiple drives in a more advanced configuration, though for this specific adapter, it's more about presenting a single M.2 as a larger drive. They emphasize high-quality electronics components, and while I can't physically inspect every chip, the overall impression is one of reliability. It's the kind of product that you install and then forget about, which is exactly what you want from a storage adapter. The versatility is also a point worth noting. They mention industrial, automotive, and household electronics, and it's easy to see how this could be integrated into various custom builds or upgrades. Now about that money-back guarantee and customer support. It's always reassuring to know a company stands behind its product, especially with electronics. If something goes wrong, having that support system in place makes the purchase feel much safer. Overall, this M.2 SATA to 3.5-inch SATA adapter is a well-built, easy-to-use solution for anyone looking to leverage their M.2 SATA SSDs in a more traditional form factor. It delivers on its promise of reliable performance and straightforward integration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.